Welcome back to Women Fashion Hustle, your ultimate guide to looking chic and stylish without breaking the bank. I'm your fashion companion, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics: how to look luxurious on a low budget. Now, we all love that high-end look, but let's be real, luxury often comes with a hefty price tag. But guess what? You don't need a millionaire's budget to look like $1,000,000. Stay with me till the end of this video, and I'll share some secret tips, tricks, and hacks to elevate your style game on a budget. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's kick things off with a little story. A few years ago, I was obsessed with designer brands. I thought spending big was the only way to look stylish. But one day, while shopping at a thrift store, I stumbled upon a gorgeous vintage blazer for just $10. That moment was an eye-opener. I realized it's not about how much you spend, but how you style it. And today, I'm going to share everything I've learned with you. Our first stop on this journey to luxury on a budget is thrifting. Thrift stores are gold mines for unique, high-quality pieces at a fraction of the cost. The key is to be patient and have a keen eye. Look for classic pieces like blazers, tailored pants, and blouses made from quality fabrics. Always check the labels for materials like wool, silk, and cashmere. These fabrics scream luxury. And don't be afraid to explore the men's section. You can find oversized blazers or shirts that can be tailored to fit perfectly. See this blazer? I got it for just $15, and with a little tailoring, it looks like it's straight off a designer rack. Pair it with a simple white tee and some gold accessories, and voila, instant sophistication. Next up, accessories. They are the unsung heroes of any wardrobe. A well-chosen accessory can elevate even the simplest outfit. Invest in classic pieces like gold or silver jewelry, a chic belt, and a few stylish scarves. You don't need to splurge on real gold or designer bags. Look for quality costume jewelry and well-crafted handbags. Stores like Zara, H&M, and even online shops like ASOS have amazing options. And don't underestimate the power of a good belt. It can transform a basic dress into a statement outfit. Let's talk about high-low mixing. This is one of my favorite styling tricks. The idea is to pair more affordable items with one or two high-end pieces. It creates a balanced, polished look without going overboard on spending. For instance, you can wear a budget-friendly dress and elevate it with a designer handbag or shoes. Or pair a thrifted blouse with high-quality jeans. The key is to focus on fit and proportion. Tailoring your clothes can make a world of difference, making even the cheapest items look bespoke. Another great way to achieve a luxurious look on a budget is through DIY projects and upgrades. Simple alterations can transform your clothes. Adding new buttons, patches, or even a bit of lace can make a plain piece look custom and expensive. For example, I bought this plain coat for $20. By adding some gold buttons and a velvet collar, it now looks like a designer piece worth hundreds. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with your wardrobe. Now, let's not forget the importance of grooming. Looking luxurious isn't just about clothes. Well-maintained hair, nails, and skin can significantly enhance your overall look. Invest in a good skincare routine, keep your nails neat and styled, and don't skip on hair care. You don't need expensive products for this. There are plenty of affordable options that work wonders. Consistency is key. A polished appearance will always make you look more put together and sophisticated. Lastly, shopping smart is essential. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores to get alerts on sales and discounts. Apps like Honey or Rakuten can help you find the best deals and cashback offers. And don't forget to check out outlet stores and sample sales for designer items at reduced prices. Also, consider renting high-end pieces for special occasions. Websites like Rent the Runway offer designer clothes and accessories for a fraction of the purchase price. This way, you can enjoy the luxury without the commitment. And there you have it, fashionistas. Looking luxurious on a low budget is totally achievable with these tips and tricks. Remember, it's all about being smart, creative, and confident in your style choices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Women Fashion Hustle for more fashion hacks and style